Made a swamp haze, a swamp raise. A Louisiana boy came home to play. Fired up my high school 77, straight from granddaddy way up in heaven. Tearing up the more highline roads. I hang a deer stand on a power line pole. Deer feeders out waiting on the rut. Louisiana boy's gonna hunt. Cajun on, sing my song. Get your shotgun and your one-eyed dog. Get online in the duck blind. A high brass 6-leg shot is just fine. What you know about that? A whitetail rack, double drop time 10 as a matter of fact. Hanging on the wall, the farm out back. Ain't get stuck cause my truck is jacked. What you know about that?
First stop on the little rolling ball tour. Up in New Hampshire, we had 6 hours training academy. 1,000 pounds of crawfish going down. Brand new pot. Not mine, I like putting dents in it, dude. Check that out. We getting cranked right here. 1 bag of the ultimate seafood ball is going in. He's got it! Hut! Boom! Another bag, baby! Let's get it, dude. Y'all come along. It's going on. Look what. Get that out of here. Check that out, dude. That's a rolling ball. Boom! Can't beat the weather up here. This is probably the first time I'm gonna cook and I ain't gonna sweat my corn sauce, dude. Let's drop that first batch of crawfish down, dude. 1, 2, 3, get on it. Cool. Here we go. Oh, 1 fell, 2 fell. That's all right. Get them in there. We're gonna pick them up. Oh, beautiful. Catch the survivors. Throw them in. Give them a spin, dude. Crank and stank. Said way up here in New Hampshire, don't make them spicy, dude. I put extra jalapenos and an extra bag of seasoning on, but look how pretty them old crawfish came out, dude. Check it out. Oh, got that lemon, jalapenos. Oh, we're doing the fixing separate, dude. We don't want to burn them too bad. You want a little run, dude. Peelability on point. They said that first batch was a little spicy, dude. Second batch going down, going in with a little bit about half of that ultimate ball right there, dude. Love when I get a little shipment from old John Rich himself. This stuff is straight fire, dude. Can't get enough of it. Let me get out of here. I got stuff to do. Get that like that. Dropping them on. Get that out of here. Not another thing of jalapenos. We're gonna burn them up here in New Hampshire, dude. Oh. God. Check out the size, dude. All the way up here. Let's get them in there. Oh. Get them in. Give them a spin, dude. Woo, get in there. Up out there, boy. Take them down. Second batch going down, they done ate the first batch, dude. Look at them lemons coming to the top. You're fine. Second batch going down, dude. They call me the bug plug. Check that out. Get it high. Let them sit fall in there. Look how beautiful. Cooked to perfection, dude. Oh, we got them up here in New Hampshire. The jalapeno straight money, dude. Oh. Check how pretty that is, dude. You know we got the champignons. Get that out of here. And the frozen corn. That's a wrap, dude. We're gonna let that soak for about 20 minutes. That's a full pot. Look at that right there. Sink them down. I bet you can smell that on that foam, dude. Check how pretty, dude. Them crawfish. Saucy born in New Hampshire, dude. Beautiful Louisiana crawfish. That's a wrap, cat. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow in Maine. Where we gonna bring the pain. Let's get it. Woo! Second stop doing a little rolling ball tour. We're at Long Reach Marina in Maine. Might be the last crawfish of the year, dude. We already did one batch. We're going with a half a bag of the ultimate seafood ball right there. Put that in there. We got the onions, we got the lemons, we got the potatoes, dude. Drop them in there. Like that. Get that out of here. Watch out, I'm gonna hit somebody. While we wait, we're gonna hydrate, dude. You won't miss the end of this video. Crawfish season is a wrap. Check that out, dude. Look at that season on. They said, why? You ain't gonna steam your crawfish? We don't steam nothing, dude. Get the jalapenos in there. Get that out of there. Stir that around, dude. We making some soup. Crawfish going down, dude. Let me get that image, you boy. Keep showing, bro. You ain't no cool ass. Get out the way, dude. Get him in there. I get a lot of questions about my glasses. Waterlandco.com. You can get the Cook's edition. Go figure. They named them after the Stalekracker because they money, dude. Woo! Yeah. Give me that paddle, boy! Second batch going down. Look how pretty, dude. Last ones of the year is always special. Get them in there. Crank the skank while we wait. We hydrate. Let's go. That's a wrap, cat. 2 minutes. The soaking start. The champignons and the frozen corn. Get it in there like that. Hey, catch that. Catch that. Get that out of here, dude. Soak them down. Look how pretty that is. Let me get some of the crawfish up there. Look the color on that, dude.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, dude, we're going down in Maine, dude. Whatever you thought, be up in Maine. Cooking crawfish. And look, ain't not many people over here had crawfish, no. That's the Cajun experience. That's education, dude. Let's get it. Woo! Money. We up here in Maine, dude. This is the last crawfish for the season, dude. Let me give it a little run. Money dip on that potato.
So many things I didn't understand.
It's time to go back to the booth, dude. Let's go.